Hello, I'm Don Dolliver, and welcome to Boston. The city of Boston is the capital of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. We're located in the Northeast, just south of New Hampshire and north of Rhode Island. The Boston station is a diverse and senior station. Here at Logan International Airport, we have 36 different international carriers here in Boston. We're the 16th busiest airport in the United States.
You have customers coming in from the whole world into Boston. And you have to make sure that they get their bags, connect their bags where they're gonna go.
We are a bit unique here in Boston as we handle American Eagle above the wing and below the wing. We fly to Syracuse, Rochester, and Harrisburg. For the past 10 years, we've worked a very successful contract for Air Canada here in Boston for below the wing. We work 14 departures, international departures to various places in Canada. So we have a lot of transfer bags. We work a multitude of different aircraft for Air Canada, all the way from Q400 aircraft to Embraers to Airbus, and occasionally the 787 Dreamliner diversion. Boston, we get all 4 seasons. We get the leaf peepers in the fall, and we get all the snowbirds coming back in the summer. And it's New England, so the weather changes very quickly.
Boston is located right on the sea, so we have a lot of fog, we have a lot of high winds, so we're constantly under air traffic, so that's definitely a challenge that Boston faces.
When it's winter over here, it's extreme, and summer is extreme. So it's like the best time, I think, for us, for the ramp to work is spring and fall.
So Boston has a lot to offer our travelers. Boston's one of the oldest cities in the nation. We're rich in history. We have lots of historic landmarks and places to see.
I like to walk down the harbor. There's tons and tons of restaurants.
We have a very large Italian base, so if you head up to the north end, you'll find any type of Italian food.
We have world-class universities, museums, research centers, and some of the best hospitals in the country, not to mention our championship sports teams.
You have the Patriots, you have the Red Sox, you have the Bruins, so when there's games you see tons of people.
Another unique challenge that we have here in Boston is training. Working 2 separate operations, there is ramp differences. So our employees are constantly training.
Every day is a different day. And just the work that we do, the loading, unloading the plane, day in, day out, it's always a new challenge.
We basically know each other's moves out there, you know, we don't have to speak, it's like an unspoken language, everybody knows what to do.
Our Piedmont Boston team incorporates teamwork, hard work, dedication, safety compliance into our daily culture, which creates the building blocks for our continued success in Boston and for Piedmont.
I do feel like it's more like a family here. I definitely feel like they care about me.
I'm proud to be a member of this successful team.